And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can clip a video. We've got a simple photo right here, but it works with footage, so a video file as well. You can see there's a bluish part on the right hand side, and if I've got this clip selected in the timeline, right click, edit and use mirror, the bluish part is now on the left. So we can easily flip that horizontally. If you want to flip it vertically, it's a little bit more complex. Let us start with the default layout, so make sure you've got that. And then I'm under Video Basic. Once again, the clip, in this case the image, is selected in the timeline, and then you will find the rotate function up here. Let me make that 90. The bluish part is now on the bottom left. If I right click, edit and mirror, it's on the top left. So you can still mirror it, but it has changed from horizontally to vertically. What if we want to have it vertically positioned, but then flip it horizontally? So this is something that takes a step in between. And to achieve that, you need to right click on this clip and then create a compound clip. And now if you right click, edit and mirror, the bluish part gets flipped from left to right without switching the position from top to bottom, so there's only a horizontal flip. Once again, I flip it and it goes from right to left. And this is how you can flip clips in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.